Welcome to Mukang Chai, a district in Sun La Province, where the stunning terraced rice fields stretch as far as the eye can see. These fields are not just a testament to the ingenuity of the local ethnic minorities, but also a symbol of their deep connection to the land. Mukang Chai is home to diverse ethnic groups, including the Hmong, Dao, and Thai. Each community brings its own unique culture, traditions, and way of life, enriching the cultural tapestry of the region. The main livelihood here revolves around rice cultivation. The terraced fields are a masterpiece of agricultural engineering, carved into the mountainsides to make the most of the steep terrain. Rice is more than just a staple food. It is a vital part of the local economy. From planting to harvesting, every stage is carried out with meticulous care and traditional methods. In addition to rice farming, the locals are also known for their traditional rice wine. This handcrafted beverage is made from the harvested rice and is an integral part of their cultural heritage. The process of making rice wine is an art passed down through generations. It involves fermenting the rice, distilling the liquid, and carefully bottling it. The result is a smooth, aromatic drink that reflects the spirit of Mukang Chai. Rice wine is often enjoyed during communal meals and celebrations, bringing people together and strengthening the bonds within the community. Mukang Chai is not just a place of breathtaking beauty. It is a land where the traditions of the past live on in harmony with the natural world. Come and experience the magic of Mukang Chai for yourself. Thank you for watching Outside Camping Vietnam. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures across this beautiful country.